Established since 2007 with over 25,000 students, helping more than 1,000 students achieve distinctions in their A-level exams. With up to 7 locations island-wide, we are Learners Lodge, an A-level specialist with a dedicated team of teachers that specialize in their individual subjects, with subjects from math, economics, GP, chemistry, biology, and physics. We have customized classes according to JC's scheme of work and worksheets for each subject. In Learners Lodge, we have a very inclusive learning culture.
We have a strong team of teachers who are very dedicated and very professional.
We usually do a combination of two things, content teaching as well as skills practice.
We also are very open to invite students to come for one-to-one consultation with us.
When I join the Learners Lodge, I get to see a wide variety of students with different learning needs and profiles. And therefore, it's important for me as a teacher to try out and be good at different teaching methods.
Last year, I had a repeat student who wanted to redo A-level. So he joined my class, he was very weak, but at the end of my 1 year after I teach him, he got an A for his A-levels.
In order to teach a student, I think the first thing we need to do, right, is actually to care for the student, because once the students know that you care for them, right, then that is where they will start learning.
I would be thinking through who are the students in the class and what are their weaknesses, so that I can plan the questions, and also when they are dealing with the practices in class, I can give them more personal attention.
One thing I need to constantly remind myself is that because the student profiles are diverse, it's important that I try a variety of teaching methods. For example, like customized worksheets. In that way, students, regardless of ability, will tend to benefit significantly from the lessons.